Chef Mary G. In the kitchen.
AI picked a recipe for me, but I'm making it with ugu leaves. Hi, my people. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mary G, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, bringing you delicious recipes straight from Niger. Today, a Spanish classic gets a Nigerian twist. Green spaghetti. Let's see if it passes Nigeria test. Here's everything you'll need. The ugu leaves, fresh spinach, garlic, onions, green pepper, cooked spaghetti, vegetable oil, fried gizzard, fried beef, seasoning cubes, and salt. At AI Chef Mary G Kitchen, we keep it fresh. Wash your ugu and spinach well, then chop and get ready to cook. Blend your greens with garlic, onions, and pepper until smooth and rich. Start by adding a little vegetable oil into your pot. Add your onions and let it fry till it's soft and smells really good. Now pour in your green blend and let it cook down, then this is where the magic begins. Season to taste and keep it simple but flavorful. Let it cook properly. While that happens, get your spaghetti and then toppings ready. Add your spaghetti and toss until every strand is coated. Now bring in the stars, juicy gizzard and tender beef. Then cover the pot, let it simmer. This is Spaghetti Verde, also called green spaghetti. No cream, no cheese, just pure green goodness with a Nigerian twist. This is so good. You need to try this. Will you be trying this Spaghetti Verde? Let me know in the comments and follow AI Chef Mary G. Smart recipes, bold flavors.
Bold flavors.